Hello guys, welcome back to 4x4 Maniacal. Today I'm going to talk in this video about the top 3 best Jeep wheels that you should buy. Let's get started. First up is the RockTrix RT105 17-inch wheels. These multi-spoke black wheels will give your Jeep a sporty yet stylish feel. They have a 5x5 bolt pattern and 4.5-inch back spacing. They're perfect for off-roading and will give you an extra 2 inches of clearance. The diameter is 17 inches and should be a direct OEM replacement. The aggressive offset of these wheels can help you achieve as much as 2 inches of clearance over the OEM wheels. They have a stylish look with a clean black finish and a protective clear coat for durability. Because these wheels are larger, you may need to buy a lift kit and adjust your fenders. You may also need to purchase a separate set of cone seat lug nuts. Up next is the Helo HE878 wheel with satin black finish. If you're looking for style, these wheels deliver with a satin black finish and aggressive spoke design. They come in diameters ranging from 16 to 20 inches. There are also a wide variety of lug configurations. There is a chrome version available if you're looking for a bit more flash. These wheels have an aggressive and rugged look to them and can enhance the style of your Jeep. The satin black and chrome finishes complement their multi-spoke design. There is a 1-year finish warranty to protect your investment from peeling or lifting of the finish. Last up is the Trailmaster steel wheels. These Trailmaster wheels have a gloss black finish and are made of steel. They have a 5x4 bolt pattern and a diameter of 15x8. The backspace is 3.75 inches. These are tough wheels that will perform well in heavy-duty applications. This makes them perfect for the trail or any other demanding off-road use. The gloss black finish on them dresses them up, so they are more than just utility wheels. The back spacing is deep on these wheels, and some people may find it to be too much for their tastes. You should also double check what you're purchasing because sometimes the description isn't totally accurate. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this product, check the video description.